Good evening, everyone. This is Sandhya. I'm an author and mentor. This is the last evening of 2020. You can see a beautiful view behind me, and that's the Tokyo Bay and the Tokyo city. And the sun has already set. We are going to welcome 2021. When we talk about ending 2020, most of us are dreaded about the memories of 2020. The 2020 has been the most hated year in terms of the most adversities it has brought into many people's lives due to various reasons. 2020 has impacted us in a big way in terms of the personal, professional, social life. And many people have lost their near and dear one, or they have lost their jobs, or the children's education, the vacation, social gatherings, everything has been impacted with the COVID-19. Let's put that memory behind. 2020 has taught many lessons to us. Number 10, value for life. The biggest achievement for 2021 is that we are alive and able to welcome 2021. Many people have lost this opportunity of welcoming the new year. So let us appreciate this opportunity and make our life meaningful. Number 9, 2020 has taught us the value of personal hygiene, value of how to keep the environment neat and clean inside the house and surrounding areas. Number 8, 2020 has taught us how to live in minimum requirement or minimalist lifestyle. It means many of us have cut down unnecessary expenses and reduce splurging on the food, clothes, accessories, etc. Number 7, saving. 2020 has taught us the value of saving. We started valuing money, how to save the money for future emergencies. So the money in the bank, cash in the hand, always can be used for emergencies in the life. Number 6, personal health. Personal health has become a big thing suddenly. It has taken a momentum, especially after the Yoga Day has introduced a few years ago by Prime Minister Mr. Modi. Many people started taking more interest in the yoga and other form of physical exercise. But 2020 has taught us how to keep fit in terms of the healthy food, in terms of the regular exercise, and valuing the health. Due to unavailability of the hospital and emergency services, people started taking care of their own health and started focusing on that. Number 5, of planning. Planning for the emergencies in terms of the food supplies, medicine and other essential items was the most important factor which has taught us how to plan the life. Number 4, value of healthy food. Due to social distancing and the government restrictions put on the restaurants and social outing, many of the restaurants closed early or takeaway food or delivery. This is one of the reasons people started cooking at home and eventually started eating healthy food. Number 3, we all started becoming more accommodative. Eventually it has taught us how to be more accommodative and how to be more patient with each other and how to accept each other the way they are. That has created a new bonding. Number 2, we all have started learning how to survive professionally and personally. So it has forced us to learn new skills in terms of the life skill like a cooking, washing. Those are the regular one. That's one part. But there are other skills like a technical skills, professional competencies. So many professionals have gone ahead and equipped themselves with extra skills in order to remain competitive in their profession. So learning additional things has become a new trend. Number one, people have become more innovative to find out new ways of earning and supporting their families. Some people have started new business during this time and they are actually succeeding. So let's put the bad memory behind us, but let's not forget the life lessons 2020 has taught us. Let's take those valuable lessons forward in 2021 and make our life more meaningful. Let me give you last point. COVID-19 is not going anywhere soon. So the social distancing will continue for some time. Situation will improve slowly. So whatever we learned, let's use those skills and make life more meaningful. Happy New Year to you. Thank you so much. Bye.